Are you slowly and subtly being sold on the idea of life is about leisure and consumption? Because leisure and consumption will deteriorate your human nature. They will deteriorate your humanity. Do you have a healthy biblical vision of the things that God has called you to do with your energy and your time? Do you steward your life? You are given a gift today, life and breath and new creation. God has given that to you in Jesus. Are you stewarding every moment of this with a passion, with a desire to make the most of this beautiful opportunity? Do you see yourself today as an agent of good, grace, life, and renewal in the world?